Hey guys, who else is ready for the bracelet bar? I know I am. So if you haven't seen it, here is the new Rainbow Loom bracelet bar. It is exclusive to Target. It comes with 5,000 bands, but it also holds 5,000 bands, which is incredible. It also comes with the Mighty Loom. It comes with 30 beads, 8 cutique charms. We're going to flip it over and check the back out. It also comes with 135 clips. We do get a hook with this. I cannot wait to dig into this. So let's open this bad boy up and we're going to get this all put together. So let's get in here and see what we have. Alright, we got our little Mighty Loom. I'm just going to pull everything out. And then we'll go through it. So we have the little pamphlet here with instructions. So there's definitely that if you need it. Alright, I wanted to get everything a little organized. So we have the little clear tubes here. And the little plastic that it goes to. So we're going to get this connected. I'll get them all connected and then we'll put this together. I will say these plastic on that and this is a lot sturdier than I thought it was going to be. I thought this was going to be like, you know, the kind of tray plastic that's like super thin and flimsy. That's what I thought it was going to be, but it's actually really good. It's sturdy. So right now I'm just getting all of the tubes put on. Alright, so now we're going to take these out. And put these in. How cute. This is so cute. I love this. My basement's going to look like a Rainbow Loom lab because I'm going to have these all lined up everywhere because they're just so cute. Alright, so I'm going to fill these up. I'm going to do pink first. I'm not going to fill each one on camera because I feel like it's going to take a while, but we'll get this started. Oh, these are big bags. Alright, so I'm going to fill some of these in. It probably would make sense to get them nice and separated before you fill them. Pink is done. Now we're going to do purple. I'm not sure why they decided to do white for the yellow. I guess they wanted to keep it fun and colorful. Neon green. And blue. Got my neon. And blue. So I'm going to fill my little cubbies. So these are the G clips for the charms. We got the easy clips. Get our little cutie charms. They're so cute, these little charms. It's a little cookie. And the Bemojis. And then with the extra little spot here, whatever you're working on, you can sit in there if it's small. So lastly, we're going to add the Mighty Loom in. And our little hook. So yeah, that's it, you guys. How cool is this? Do you guys think you're going to get one? I think everyone is going to love this. I'm getting more. I'm not just saying that. I am getting more because I want more bands to go in these, and I'm going to sit them along my desk where I have room and loom right out of it because it's just too cute. And the quality is very good as well. So let me know down below if you're going to go get the Rainbow Loom bracelet bar. Remember, this is exclusive to Target. So go over there and get it or hop online. But let me know what you guys think down below. Other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.